Did you know both Twitch and YouTube actually have their own bitrate recommendations for live streams? You can find Twitch's complete guide here. It gives you bitrate guidelines, but it also has a lot of other useful information like encoding information, audio and video quality settings, and some other stuff. Like here under encoding, they recommend NVENC if you have an NVIDIA GPU and the X264 encoder if you do not have an NVIDIA GPU. They also explain CBR versus VBR, which I don't think a lot of people understand at all. CBR is constant bitrate and VBR is variable bitrate. VBR honestly usually causes a lot of issues like stuttering and frame drops, so CBR is usually the recommendation for live streams. And the other useful info section here gives you a breakdown of suggested settings for NVENC and X264 encoding. For example, if you are trying to stream at 1080p and 60 frames per second, Twitch suggests using a 6,000 kilobytes per second frame rate. Also a keyframe interval of 2 seconds, the quality preset, and B-frame set at 2. YouTube also has their own chart with their own guidelines too. On YouTube, you can actually go up to 2160p and 4K. So to do that at 60 frames per second, they recommend a bitrate of 35 millibytes per second, which is 35,000 kilobytes per second. What resolution and bitrates are you using for your live streams? Let me know in the comments.